Today I want to show you our quick pack new Coreless stretch film. Now, as you can see, there's no cardboard core in the center of the roll. Each pallet comes with 5 of these. These are our plastic core inserts. We call them the bugle. And basically how it works, you just insert in one side, and on the other side you see it's got a threaded pattern here. It just inserts in the other, and they both just screw together. It's like a nut and a bolt, and there's your core. Now, as you can see, it doesn't have any sharp edges. It's nice and smooth, so when it's spinning in your hand, you don't get that buildup of friction, and you get that burning hand sensation that you normally do with the corrugated cores that are in there. Then the film will just run right off the plastic roll at the end, and you insert the bugles into the next roll, and off you go.